Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to add title text behind object in Photoshop. Okay, so first we have a flattened image here and we want to isolate the subject. So click object selection tool and just draw around the subject. It doesn't have to be perfect. To clean up the selection, just hold Alt while selecting the unwanted or active selections. You'll notice the minus sign beside the icon while you're holding the Alt key. Now if you want to add more selection, just hold Shift until you see the plus icon and just draw around the character where you need it to be part of the selection. Just repeat those steps until you're happy with your selection. After making the selection, click on the Add Layer Mask button below the Layer panel and this will hide the background of your selection. Now let's go ahead and duplicate the layer by right-clicking the layer and select Duplicate from the drop-down menu. Let's hit OK and let's rename the layer to avoid confusion. Now that we have our duplicate, let's select and delete the layer mask by right-clicking it and selecting Delete Layer Mask from the drop-down. Then let's move the one with the layer mask on top of the duplicate. Now let's create a text title to be added behind the character. And for my example, I already created one earlier, so all I need is just drag the text on the document and put it below in between our original layer and duplicated layer. Before I do that, I wanted to group my text to keep it organized by going to the layer menu and select group layers from drop-down or press keyboard shortcut Ctrl G. Now let's drag the group text in between our original layers and let's rename it to keep it more organized. Now that our text is behind the subject, we can resize it however we want, add colors, add effects to it, but you're basically done. I created another example, but this is in fast forward mode, doing the steps that I showed from our first example. I hope you guys learned from this simple and basic tutorial, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.